Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pottery supply shop. For example, you are the owner of pottery supply shop and you want to share the details regarding the exclusive offers and the collection of your creation to the customer. Sending each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pottery supply shop, let me give you a quick review about how our chatbot will work. So basically at the end of this video, we can create this type of chat flow for our pottery supply shop. Now I am showing how it will work. By sending hi message to my WhatsApp business account, see, it will respond me automatically and provide me different type of buttons such as types of clay, pottery workshops, contact us. I'll click on pottery workshop. Then it will provide me the details regarding the pottery workshops. Here, basically this is how our chatbot will work. At the end of this video, you can create this type of chatbot very easily. So let's get started. By clicking a new tab, here you can search pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps you to automate your WhatsApp messages and responds 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our different type of businesses. Now, on the right-hand side, you can see two buttons are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go for sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. After that, here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provides to their users. We are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in the Pabbly Chatflow column by clicking Access Now button. After that, here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see the credits allotted to you, the credits consumed, the credit remainings and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we are created a separate video of the process of adding WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here you can also create a folders and see status and all the regarding information related to your number. The second one is the inbox where you can store all the conversation with your customer and you can also respond to them by. The third one is the contact where you can add and manage contacts, import in bulk and create list of segments to your audience effortlessly. The fourth one is the team queue where you can organize chats assigned to team members and keep unassigned conversations separate for easy management. The fifth one is the template where you can create multiple type of template according to your choice. Basically, it is just like a pre-approval templates. It is used when the conversation is started by your side. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending the bulk messages to your customer. The seventh one is the flow, where you can create multiple types of chatbot with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and engage prospects effortlessly. Here we can also provide the video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings where you can manage different type of actions such as OPT in management, inbox setting, contact custom field, tags, quick replies, team members, chat assignments rule, API webhooks, activity log, etc. The last one is the help in where you can suggest all the problem you are facing. Here we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on the flow button. After that, I am landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. After that, I am landed on the page where I am going to create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder. It create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can also see total flows, active flows and inactive flows. On the right-hand side, you can see a button, Add Flow button. With the help of this button, you can create your WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the starting point of our chatbot. At first, you have to give the name to your bot that what you are creating. As we are creating a pottery supply shop bot, so I am giving the name. Here I give the name. Before starting this side, you can see two options are there. The one is messages and the another is action. Under these messages and action, you can see different types of buttons are there. we can use this button in the creation of our chat. Here on the left hand side you can see two buttons are there. The one is save and the another is inactive active button. With the help of this button you can active your flows, and with the help of this button you can save your flows. Now we get started. Basically this is the starting point of our chat flow. There are three trigger points of our flow to start. The first is keywords, which are the manually entered words which were written by yourself. The second one is the regex. Regex can identify specific types of user messages, and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the template, in which you can create any type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, template are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. I am creating this flow with the help of regex. Here I am entering the regex. Here I write it the regex. With the help of this regex, when user send any of the messages to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them. Make sure that you can enable this toggle. After that, now we will add some action button to our flow. First button I'll take as text button. After this, I am writing a welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. Welcome to Bright Poetry Store. After this, now I am connecting my starting point of the flow to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to here. Now it is connected. After each and every step, you will save your progress with the help of this button. After that, here you can see it will provide me another option of plus add buttons. With the help of these buttons, I can add multiple types of features regarding my Bright Poetry shop. By clicking this button, it will provide me an enter text box where I can write the options I want to provide to my customers. The first option I take as types of clay. The second option I take as pottery workshop, and the third option I take as contact us. See, after that, when my customer wants to know about the type of clays that I am providing to them, then it will click on this button. Then my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding another text button. Drag this here and writing the details about how many types of clay I am providing to them. Here I provided the details regarding the clay I am providing to my customer. Now I am connecting the circle which are present in front of type of clays. Drag a line and connect this to this circle. It is connected. What if my customer wants to know about the pottery workshop that I am offering to them? Then they will click on this button. After that, I am adding another text button. So my bot will respond to them. Here I am entering the details regarding the pottery workshops. Here I wrote. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present of pottery workshop to the circle where I wrote about the details regarding the pottery work. You can set this message box anywhere. After that, when my customer wants to contact with us, then I'll providing the contactual details of my pottery supply shop by adding one more text button. Here I am writing the support details for my customer. Write it. After that, I am connecting this circle of contact us to this circle. It is now connected. Here you can see our chat flow will complete it. This is the complete chat flow of creating WhatsApp chatbot for your pottery supply shop. You can also add anything according to your choice. You can add more details about your shop. You can add multiple types of collection of your creations. So this is the final look of our flow for creating WhatsApp chatbot for pottery supply shop. After completing this, you have to click on this button, save button. Here it will show you flow updated successfully. Now I'll show you how it will work. By sending any message to my WhatsApp business account of pottery supply shop. See, it will respond to me. Welcome to Bright Pottery Shop, that what we were wrote here. Here we can also provide different type of buttons to our customer. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.